let my daughter play, and Natalia. She is now 16 months old, and really to share with you all what I've learned throughout the way in this journey called parenthood. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So I'm pretty particular with the toys that we introduced to Tally. And you know, in the beginning, when you're a new parent, you're just kind of like going with the groove, but as you kind of get into it, as you progress through it, you learn that there are certain toys that do help the developmental skills that you can bring out of your kids. And right now we're actually kind of taking the Montessori approach, and she's going to Montessori toddler school. It's so cute. She's learning so many things over there, and we really just want to bring all of that over into our household. So the only toy, apart from a few other lovely brands that I have picked for Tally, is from Lovevery. I'm so in love with this toy company because they're made by early childhood development experts who curate all of these toys for your little ones. It is a subscription based, but you can also buy individual boxes if you want. Also gift your boxes, and they have toys from 0 weeks to 36 months. And it's so amazing to see all the different things that you can do with all the toys that come in a box. Every single item and every single toy that they put in the box has a purpose, and so I really love it because it really helps the developmental skill level that they have, some fine motor skills, some gross motor skills, and also just the cognitive aspect of it as they're growing up is so amazing to see. And Tally absolutely loves these toys, and really, honestly, if you want to be minimal, these are literally the only toys that you can buy for your little ones, and they will love it. And of course, I love this brand so much that I have partnered with Lovevery to give one of you a box of your toys, whatever age level it may be for your little ones. You get to pick a box, and all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. Comment down below what toys you love to give to your little ones right now. And also enter on Instagram, just follow me on Insta, and also comment on the Lovevery photo that I will be posting up there, the same thing. What toys you guys love for all of your kitties? I do share a lot of the ideas when Tally plays with these toys on my Insta, so do make sure that you follow me on there. That's really all there is to this video. Just wanted to share with you the toys that are just a big part of Natalie's life right now. Hopefully you can get your hands on these toys because they're amazing, they last a long time, and I know I'll be using them for the next kids. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!